Here I have Oppo A78 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the additional settings, then go to the keyboard and input method. Then go to the manage keyboards, go to the Gboard. Okay. Why it's disabled? Okay, never mind. Here you can change languages, tap add keyboard, and here you can see the whole list of the available system languages. As you can see, it's pretty long, lots of different languages. As usual, I'm just gonna pick my all-time favorite language for these videos, of course Greek. Tap done, and this language is added. And now let's try write something down in Greek language. So to switch languages, when you're in keyboard, you tap on this globe icon, and as you can see here I have Ukrainian layout and also Greek layout, so I can type as a ancient Greek philosopher and as a Ukrainian poet and writer and any other political person. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.